guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 42 of Her Disguise. Let's start reading. Press. But that brat dares to release Sword Aura in front of me. Even if I can't beat him, I will find a way to tease him. I see. Ito si Master talaga, mahilig mang-provoke din eh. Backing down makes me feel even angrier, and the more I think about it, the more I feel like I'm losing. Send him now. Tonight he's going to marry Miss Bansha. Siya pala namili kung pakasal sila ni Miss Bansha. So siya pala ang pulot dulo ng lahat. Charit. Yes. And what do we have here? Oh, kitchen. Qin, Jin, Qian, Ding. These are the four major families in the capital. As a son of the Empress, Yu Beiyi has the support of the Qin family. Pwede naman siya totoong anak ng Empress. Magaling magluto ang ating Bansha. Now that he has secretly become the new master of Tianji Tower, the Emperor will certainly be wary of this. It's good bargaining chip. Sakat ba? Ano ba kasi gusto niya mangyari? If I can manipulate the relationship between the Jin and the Qin families, then Yu Beiyi might not come out on top. Ayaw niya maging head. Si Yu Beiyi. Bakit? Prince Duan, Imperial Concubine Brong, Imperial Concubine Qin, Duke Jin. Yun yung mga malalaking tao sa government nila. Empress Duke Qin. And this is Yu Beiyi. Ang ating napakagwapang Yu Beiyi. Hey dear Pogi. Moreover, Imperial Concubine Wang has Prince Duan, and Imperial Concubine Jin has a little prince. They won't just sit and watch the Crown Prince dominate. May mga tao talagang yung gusto ng kapangyarihan, power, to rule everything so that they could be invisible and do whatever they want. Please, let us help you wash up. Who are these girls? The maids? Okay. Why? Bakit bigla-bigla naman? Grab. Hurry. The master of Tianjin Tower is forcing us to marry. Ang ending, magpapakasal pa rin pala talaga sila, no? Ito na magagawa si Bansha. Why is he forcing the marriage? Bansha, huwag ka na kasi magreklamo. I disagree. You asked me to provoke the master. So he insisted on arranging our marriage to produce an heir for Tianji Tower. Nakagawa siya ng palusot niya, para magpakasal sila. Magaling, Crown Prince. So ano palang nangyari in previous life? Bakit biglang nagbago yung character niya at nagalit siya kay Bansha? I helped him recover from his illness, but he dug a trough for me instead. How unreasonable. Galit na galit tuloy. He is such a person indeed. You are reasonable, but can you confess why you hated me so much after we separated for 10 years? Yun pa rin yung iniisip niyang dahilan. But actually, hindi yun yung dahilan. hurry, and run away. The master of Tenji Tower is stubborn, and I can't confront him directly. So, ang ending nito, magpapakasal sila. Once he catches you, you might end up being my wife for the rest of your life. Pero hindi siya pwedeng umalis. May mga plano pa siya in life. Weren't you planning on opening a medical clinic? Paano yung nalaman yan? Oo, may mga ano pala siya, no? May mga spiya na sumusunod sa kanya. Pause. Okay, what happened? No! What is it? What's wrong? Look over there. Search. Yes. Ano bang meron? Shh. You. Yubei, could this be a trap you intentionally set up? Well, might be. Might be no, might be yes, we don't know. Tingnan na lang natin. You're thinking too much. If you don't want to hide with me, then do as you please. Mga ano yun ng Tenji Tower. Mga tawag nito? Sundalo? Guards? Ganun. Go check the Anqing Palace. I won't force you to marry me, but I promise to send you back home safely before tonight. If you struggle and expose us, I won't take responsibility. Ano ba talaga? Gusto mo siyang mapangasawa, pero tinago mo siya. Ano ba talaga, Yubei? Make up your mind. Ayaw niya yung pwersahin. Pero love naman niya si, diba? Since they were kids. If I have the ability, I would definitely take out a knife and stop this domineering and arbitrary man in front of me. Pero wala eh. Young master, the old master from Tianjin Tower, as you are a mink. If you are a mink, how can simply you resist the temptation of beauty in your arms? Go on the bridge. If you want me to have the hope of living, hurry up and prepare for the wedding. Alam nilang nasa ilalim ng tulay yung dalawa. I have been counting the days, and if I can hold your son in my arms, I won't have a peaceful death. Today, you must get married. Wala kayong kulusot-lusot. Alam nilang nandyan kayo. That old man. Kasal na yan. The old master is so blunt. In your previous life ba hindi? And why does he insist on forcing Yubei to marry and have children? Could it be? What exactly is the relationship between you and the old master? Sa tingin mo, ano? Silly, how could I tell you about something like this? Are you worried about me? Approach. Push away. You think too much. What? Suddenly, what did you realize? Wala. Hinalikan ng kamay. Napaka-ano niya, no? Tawag nito. This is the first time since you returned to the capital that you've shown curiosity about me. Hindi siya galit. Natuwa pa siya, tinanong siya kung kaano-ano niya yung old master ng Tianjin Tower. Pwede mag-isip to, no? Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. See you in the next coming chapters, guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.